SAP Modules Series. R3's applications are modules. They can be used either alone or combined with other solutions. The integration capability of these applications increases the benefits derived for any company. Finances. Finances is a suite of integrated financial application components encompasses all aspects of financial accounting, investment management, controlling, treasury management, and enterprise controlling. SAP FE stands for Financial Accounting. FE collects all the data in company relevant to accounting, providing complete documentation and comprehensive information, and is at the same and up-to-the-minute basis for enterprise-wide control and planning. SAP CO stands for Controlling. CO is a complete array of compatible planning and control instruments for company-wide controlling systems, with a uniform reporting system for coordinating the contents and procedures of company's internal processes. SAP IM stands for Investment Management. IM offers integrated management and processing of investment measures and projects from planning to settlement, including pre-investment analysis and depreciation simulation. SAP TR stands for Treasury. TR is a complete solution for efficient financial management that ensures the liquidity of worldwide company, its structures, financial assets, profitability and minimizes risks. SAP EC stands for Enterprise Controlling. EC continuously monitors companies' success factors and performance indicators on the basis of specially prepared management information. SAP HR stands for Human Resources. HR provides solutions planning and managing companies' human resources using integrated applications that cover all personnel management tasks and help simplify and speed the process. SAP PM stands for Personnel Management. PM is a complete solution for personnel administration, recruitment management, travel management, benefits administration, and salary administration. SAP OM stands for Organizational Management. OM assists in maintaining an accurate picture of organization structure, no matter how fast it changes. It is a systematic and forward planning tool that considers the final effects of all personnel events, thus its complete solution for personnel cost planning. SAP PA stands for Payroll Accounting. PA addresses payroll functions from a global point of view and gives the capability to centralize payroll processing or decentralize the data based on country or legal entities. SAP Trademark stands for Time Management. Trademark is integrated with payroll accounting, controlling, production planning, plant maintenance, project system, external services, and shift planning. It provides with a variety of standard reports that will assist in tracking and analyzing employee time with completeness and accuracy. SAP PD stands for Personnel Development. PD assists with planning, monitoring, and analyzing scheduled seminars, training courses, and business events, registration and booking, price determination and invoicing. Logistics. Logistics comprises all processes involved in purchasing, materials management, manufacturing, warehousing, quality management, plant maintenance, service management and sales and distribution. All applications access a shared consistent database supported by production data management. SAP SD stands for Sales Distribution. SD actively supports sales and distribution activities with outstanding functions for pricing, prompt order processing, and on-time delivery, interactive variant configuration, and a direct interface to profitability analysis and production. SAP PP stands for Production Planning and Control. PP provides comprehensive process for all types of manufacturing, from repetitive, make-to-order, and assemble-to-order production, through process, lot and make-to-stock manufacturing, to integrated supply chain management with functions extended MRP and electronic Kanban, plus optional interfaces to PDC, process control systems, Canadian dollar, and PDM. SAP PS stands for Project System. PS coordinates and controls all phases of a project, in direct cooperation with purchasing and controlling, from quotation to design and approval, to resource management and cost settlement. SAP MM stands for Materials Management. MM optimizes all purchasing processes with workflow-driven processing functions, enables automated supplier evaluation, lowers procurement and warehousing costs with accurate inventory and warehouse management, and integrates invoice verification. SAP QM stands Quality Management. QM monitors, captures, and manages all processes relevant to quality assurance along the entire supply chain, coordinates inspection processing, initiates corrective measures, and integrates laboratory information systems. SAP PM stands Plant Maintenance. PM provides planning, control, and processing of scheduled maintenance, inspection, damage-related maintenance, and service management to ensure availability of operational systems, including plants and equipment delivered to customers. SAP SAM stands Service Management. SAM provides highly integrated customer service functionality to compete in today's global markets. SAP PDM stands for Product Data Management. PDM supports in creating and managing product data throughout the product life cycle. Technical modules typically refer to specific components or areas within a software or IT system that pertain to technical aspects such as development, infrastructure, or operations. These modules often focus on providing functionality related to programming, database management, system administration, and other technical tasks. Examples of technical modules include ABAP stands for Advanced Business Application Programming. Programming language specifically designed for developing business applications within the SAP environment. CA stands for Cross Application. Enables communication and data exchange between different applications within a system. BC stands for Basic Components. Foundational elements essential for the functioning of a system or application.